Welcome to Compare to Win. The best sock aid is probably one of the most ingenious yet simple solutions for anyone who struggles with bending down, has limited mobility, or simply wants to make the daily task of putting on socks quicker and more efficient, transforming a potentially frustrating chore into a seamless part of your routine, ensuring independence and ease for individuals of all ages and abilities. Number 5. Fanwer Sock Aid and Pants Assist Tool. Regain your independence with this innovative dressing aid. It's designed to help you easily put on socks and pants without bending or needing assistance. The sock aid features a special material with a gentle yet firm grip, allowing you to pull on socks smoothly without damaging the fabric. Its large loop handles ensure an easy and comfortable grip. Perfect for individuals with limited flexibility, reach, or mobility issues. This tool empowers you to dress yourself, making it ideal for users recovering from injuries, pregnant individuals, or those with chronic conditions. This set also includes a versatile pants helper strap. Easily adjust it to your needs and pull up your pants with one hand, avoiding the need to bend over. Using the sock aid is straightforward. Place the sock on the slider, insert your foot, and pull the string. The pants helper is just as easy to operate, making daily dressing a breeze. It's designed to be gentle on your hands and suitable for various foot widths, ensuring a comfortable dressing experience every time. What we like. This sock aid features a special terry cloth material for a gentle yet firm grip, preventing sock tears. Its large loop handles are designed for easier gripping, even for those with hand limitations. If you need a versatile tool that not only helps with socks but also includes a strap to assist with putting on pants, this is a great choice for regaining independence. What people say. The sock aid is easy to use and helps put on socks without bending over. It works well with different types of socks, including compression socks. The long handles make it easy to grip and control the sock aid. Number 4. CAidRE Sock Aid. Introducing the CAidRE Sock Aid, designed to make putting on socks simple and pain-free. It's the perfect solution for anyone who struggles with bending or reaching. Its innovative 3-finger design securely holds your stockings, ensuring a smooth and easy application every time. This unique feature makes managing your socks effortless. Crafted with a soft terry cloth exterior and a smooth nylon interior, it provides a gentle yet firm grip. This ensures your socks are pulled up easily without causing friction or damage. Say goodbye to uncomfortable bending and twisting. This device allows you to slide your socks on with ease, promoting independence and comfort. It works seamlessly with most types of socks, including dress, casual, and athletic styles. Regain your independence and simplify your daily routine. Perfect for seniors, individuals with mobility limitations, pregnant women, and diabetics. It empowers you to manage your socks independently. What we like. Boasting a unique 3-finger design, this sock aid holds stockings with ease. The combination of terry cloth outside and nylon inside ensures a gentle yet firm grip, reducing friction. If you're looking for a simple, effective tool that works with a wide variety of everyday socks and helps you avoid bending, this is an excellent option for daily use. What people say. This sock aid is easy to use and helps me put on my socks independently. The flexible material makes it easy to slide socks on and off. It's a great tool for anyone who has trouble bending over. Number 3. Mars Wellness Deluxe Hip Kit. Regain independence after your hip surgery with this comprehensive recovery kit. It includes all the tools you need to make daily tasks easier. Easily reach items with the included grabber reachers and put on socks and shoes without strain using the sock aid and shoe horn. These tools are designed to minimize bending and twisting. The leg lifter helps you position your leg with ease, while the dressing stick provides support for putting on clothes. It's a complete solution for your post-operative care. Maintain your hygiene with the long-handled bath sponge, allowing you to clean hard-to-reach areas comfortably. This ensures a more pleasant and independent bathing experience. This 7-piece kit is specifically curated to support your journey through hip and knee replacement recovery. It empowers you to manage your daily activities with greater ease and confidence. Crafted with durable materials, each item in this kit is built to last throughout your recovery period and beyond. Trust in its reliability to assist you every day. What we like. This is a comprehensive deluxe hip kit designed for post-surgery recovery, including a sock aid along with other essential tools like a leg lifter and grabber. If you or a loved one are undergoing hip or knee replacement surgery and need a full set of aids to regain mobility and independence during recovery, this all-in-one kit is incredibly beneficial. What people say. This sock aid is a lifesaver for anyone who has trouble bending over. The sock aid is easy to use and holds the sock securely in place. The long handles make it easy to grip and maneuver the sock aid. Number 2. PurePAP Deluxe Sock Aid. Introducing the PurePAP Deluxe Sock Aid, designed for ultimate ease. It simplifies putting on your socks and stockings, saving you time and effort. Featuring comfortable foam handles, this aid provides a secure grip. Its lightweight design means no strenuous bending or pulling is required. Reduce the risk of injury to your back, spine, or arms. Avoid the strain associated with pulling and stretching when dressing. This sock aid is designed for people of all sizes and shapes. The adjustable cord ensures a comfortable fit for most heights. It works perfectly with both regular socks and compression socks. Get the support you need, effortlessly. What we like. This sock aid is specifically designed to work effectively with both regular and compression socks, a key feature for many users. The comfortable foam handles make it supportive and easy to grip, while also helping to reduce the risk of back or arm injury from strenuous pulling. If you wear compression socks and are concerned about strain while putting them on, this is the product for you. What people say. The sock aid is a game changer for anyone with mobility issues, making it easy to put on socks independently. Its flexible design conforms to the ankle and heel, preventing socks from bunching up and ensuring a smooth application. The long, sturdy handles provide excellent leverage, allowing users to maintain control and stability throughout the process. Number 1. Rehabilitation Advantage Deluxe Sock Aid. Tired of struggling to put on your socks? This dressing aid allows you to easily apply socks or stockings without bending over. It's perfect for seniors, individuals with disabilities, or those recovering from surgery. Its smooth, durable shell is designed to effortlessly glide socks onto your feet. This makes dressing simple, even if you have limited mobility or a weak grip. The comfortable, non-slip foam grips give you better control and leverage. Plus, the internal foam pad ensures your sock stays securely in place while you put it on. You can easily customize the cord length to suit your arm reach and mobility level. Simply retie the knots for a perfect, personalized fit every time. This aid is compact and portable, making it easy to use with just one hand. It's ideal for use at home, in a clinic, or while traveling. You can rely on the quality of this product. It comes from an ISO 9001 certified company, ensuring high standards for performance and durability. What we like. Featuring a flexible, contoured design made from smooth ABS plastic, this sock aid glides socks on effortlessly. The secure foam handles offer better control and leverage, and the adjustable cord length allows for a personalized fit. If you prioritize a smooth application, comfortable grip, and the ability to customize the tool to your specific reach and mobility level, this is an ideal choice. What people say. The sock aid is easy to use and helps put on socks without bending over. It works well with different types of socks, including compression socks. The long handle makes it convenient for people with limited mobility. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.